A Picatinny rail is a standardized mounting platform designed to hold optics and accessories in a consistent position. If it's off, even slightly, the whole system loses reliability. At RUSAN, production starts with high-grade steel selected for strength and stability under load. The material is cut into blanks using CNC saws, keeping dimensions consistent before entering further processing. Before machining, the steel undergoes annealing. This is a controlled heat treatment where the material is brought to a specific temperature and then slowly cooled. The goal is to eliminate internal stresses created during rolling and cutting. Without this step, the material could distort during milling, especially when removing larger amounts of material. The blanks are then moved to CNC milling machines. This is where the functional geometry is created. The top surface is machined flat to ensure full contact, and the transverse slots are cut with precise spacing and depth according to Picatinny standards. The side angles of the slots are also critical as they define how accessories clamp and resist recoil forces. During machining, tool wear and thermal expansion are continuously compensated to maintain tight tolerances across the entire batch. After machining, each rail goes through dimensional inspection using precision tools. This step ensures that every rail will accept standard mounts without any misalignment. Once the geometry is confirmed, manual finishing follows. Sharp edges, created during milling, are removed to prevent interference during mounting and to improve handling. The parts are then processed in a vibratory tumbler filled with ceramic media. This step removes residual micro-burrs that are not always visible but can affect surface quality. It also creates a uniform surface texture, which is important for consistent chemical treatment in the next stage and for the nice overall look of the final product. Surface protection is achieved through bluing, a chemical conversion process that forms a black oxide layer on the steel. Unlike coatings, this layer does not add thickness, so it preserves all previously machined tolerances. Its role is to improve corrosion resistance and reduce light reflection from the surface. After finishing, each rail is laser engraved with the RUSAN marking. The engraving is precise and permanent, applied without introducing mechanical stress or altering the geometry. A final inspection is performed before packaging. This includes visual check of the rail and control of the surface finish. Only parts that meet all criteria proceed further. The finished rails are then packaged and distributed globally. Now, the Picatinny rail is ready to be mounted, providing a stable, precise interface for optics and accessories, and ensuring they stay exactly where they're meant to be, shot after shot, year after year.